Financial Information Month, FIM, is a regional financial, economic, business, and entrepreneurial education campaign executed in the Eastern Caribbean Currency Union, ECCU, since 2002. As part of FIM, a panel discussion was held on saving and investing. Savings involve low risk and low returns, whilst investments involve calculated risk with potential for higher returns.
When you decide to start to invest, you go to a licensed intermediary. An intermediary licensed by the Eastern Caribbean Securities Commission. We've seen, and I suppose when Miss Fiesel comes on board, she will speak a little about the regulations and so forth. But we see some, I won't want to call them fly by night, but we have to be mindful of non-licensed persons promoting securities in the market. So that's why it's important, and this is so to protect you, the investors.
During the panel discussion, different types of investments were examined. These included short-term investments such as treasury bills, those with additional risk such as mutual funds, along with long-term investments like bonds. Jaron Brunette, Senior Manager at the Operations Division of the Eastern Caribbean Securities Exchange, ECSE, explains how anyone can get into the market.
All of the activity goes through those licensed intermediaries, 6 of them that we have operating across the Eastern Caribbean. So any investor, or any member of the public that is interested in making that investment in the market, whether it's in equity offered by companies or the debt securities offered by the government, they can contact those licensed intermediaries who will be able to provide them with investment advice to help them make that ultimate decision on which and what security they want to invest in. And then they would also outline the process for actually making that investment, opening an account for them, and then walking them through the process of providing the buy and the buy order to start off, and then the sell orders, and facilitating the settlement of those trades that the investor is able to execute.
It was encouraged for all first-time investors to do their own research and seek the right information before making the decision to invest.
Generally, within the financial space, we encourage the use of an emergency fund, and that would be approximately 6 months of your expenses that you would hold in savings. And theoretically, anything beyond that amount you can invest. For the new investors and those who are savers, they may or may not feel comfortable with 6 months, and they may decide to increase it to about 12 months. But it is very important, as we stated initially, to separate your savings from your investments.
The theme for this year's Financial Information Month is Financial Empowerment Through Education. For the DBS News World, Miriam Montoot reporting.